Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It is a beautiful 85 degrees outside today. It is sunny. It is nice outside. It is 4:02. Sorry, I'm 2 minutes late, but we're doing good today. We've got Chris first in the chat. What's going on, Chris? We got Dark Bro, Gorilla, Tim. We got Ray, Gorilla, Chris, Tim, Dark Bro, Tim, Kombu, Tim, Gorilla, Kombu, Old Rounder, Tim, Kombu, Tim, or Tony D. We've got Kombu, Tim, Nick F. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Kombu, Tim, and Nick F. All of you guys. Glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out. Wow, look at the back of that hair. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. I tell you, when it's nice outside and then you sweat and then you try to like take a quick shower to, get rid of the sweat before you go live, your hair gets all weird, man. So it happens, but nonetheless, we're here and we're ready to go, and we've got everybody in here. The market, AMC, up in the top left-hand side of the screen, $4.94 at the close, $4.93 after hours. Shiba Inu coin still looking pretty good, sitting at $8.64 right now, 4.29% higher on the day. GameStop, $20.99 right now. We've got 0.29% gain on the day, 20.98 after hours. Tesla getting hit pretty hard today, $253.86. It's sitting at $253.52 after hours. Nasdaq sitting, 1 minute chart. Nasdaq sitting at, or that's AMC, what the heck? Nasdaq, 13,909, a 0.36% loss today. AMC 494, GameStop 20.99, Dogecoin sitting at 7.3 cents, Ethereum 1831, Shiba Inu coin 862, Bitcoin 29,020. Crypto getting hard, but Shiba Inu coin still looking pretty strong there. Mullen Auto, guys, 11.95 at the close. My goodness, touching 11.68 over here, spiking down, and then 11.85 right here. Mullen Auto getting hit pretty hard today, 11.95. Sundial $1.49. The SPY, 446. Netflix, 431. Highcroft Mining, 43 cents. The QQQ, 372. We've got Ape sitting at $1.79. MPW, 995. Tesla, 253.86. Enovix, 1783. PID, 1775. And Joby, 815 right there. We'll watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left, see how that plays out, and see if it's able to withstand this $29,000 level of support that we've got. Kombu got a lawyer who all the other lawyers hate. He drives a Porsche, so they must hate him for a reason. Still, $3.75 million is a huge lawsuit. Yes, it is. My God, dude, what's a $3.75 million lawsuit? That sounds ridiculously high. Is that about the car wreck? Is that about the car wreck? What do we got going on, Tim? Where's the new monitor? New monitor not hooked up just yet, Nick F. New monitor not in the background just yet. Will be soon, though. So, Tesla calls. Where Waingro, my hero. No, Waingro had Amazon calls. Waingro had Amazon calls. Waingro, Amazon calls right here. And yes, man, Amazon doing very nicely today, finishing at 139.57. Look at this hourly chart on Amazon. After hours, absolutely beautiful, man. Rolling down a little bit from 133, 134, rolling down to 126 yesterday in anticipation of earnings as people began to get out ahead of that earnings report, and then boom, spiking up nicely, touching intraday highs of 143.63, back down to 139. I don't know where those options ended today. The 18th, the 129s still ended very well. 11.50 on those. They still ended about double the price that Waingro paid for them, but I do believe he got out earlier in the day, and I believe that he got out around that $13 mark. Clearly, I could be wrong, but that's what I assume based on what he was saying earlier. He got out around the $13 mark. They were trading at like $5.60 yesterday, so more than doubled his money on those Amazon calls. Looking beautiful there, and kind of good news that he did not continue to hold through the end of the day there. Otherwise, he would have lost about 30%, coming back down to 11 from the $14 mark. Waingro celebrating what? Yes, Waingro must be celebrating right now. He did come in the live stream earlier. Recommended that nobody ever do what he did there, but he was in here. I don't know if he's in here this afternoon or not. Claybro, this NT, this not a repeat of Bitcoin 29,000 like before, and the next possibilities, and Shib didn't move, and this isn't, I think, this isn't a repeat of the 29, Shib didn't move an inch, so what is the plan. If Bitcoin pumps, then Shib Lambo. So PS5. Shiba Inu coin, Bone, and so on could be slightly detached from the overall market over the next 2 weeks or so. Shiba Inu coin showing some strength as Bitcoin is kind of retesting that support level down here at 29,000. So, I mean, to me, you look like you got a little weakness in Bitcoin. Doom. Looking like the bears want to break it down and retest levels around 27,000. Okay? Boom, the pressure right now looks like pressure to the downside as opposed to pressure to the upside. So, knowing that, yes, Bitcoin could be coming down, but Shiba Inu coin, on the other hand, Shiba Inu coin is showing pressure to the upside right now and really looks like it wants to break out higher. I believe that this is on Shibarium hype and expectations. Now, will Shibarium drive Shib or Shiba Inu coin back up above 1,000 points per coin? I hope so, but if it does, you know, we've seen these rallies before. This was the February into March rally for Shiba Inu coin here, and on the anticipation, it broke up through 1250 resistance, had a nice 30% spike up, and then came right back down over the next couple of days. So just be pretty cautious if it does spike up on the Shibarium news. It very well could come back down after the Shibarium release if people are, I guess, what's the best way to put it, disappointed with the Shiba Inu coin burns happening on Shibarium. But yeah, nonetheless, Shib pulled back just slightly today from its intraday highs after having a very nice rally, still sitting 4.29% higher as the overall cryptocurrency market is down on the day today. I foresee a lot of pain coming for the crypto market next week. A Bitcoin bear crossing on the weekly MACD on Sunday, and only coins up over the last 7 days are Shib and HBAR. Old rounder, bro. Yeah, you could be right, man. The pressure to me looks like the pressure is towards the downside. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby! Did you hear the Mullen call? They cut off the reverse split on purpose. The reverse split part. Thomas, I did not. So I have not been following Mullen Auto as closely as a lot of other people in here. Dude, I don't know. So, was the call yesterday? Because yesterday is when Mullen ripped up from what? 12 cents all the way up to 17 cents. But, dude, think about it. We went from 17 cents, 17 plus, down to 11 cents today. I mean, that's a 33% loss in a single 24-hour period. Mullen Auto, obviously, getting some very bad news there. So, I don't know what's driving it right now. I just know that the overwhelming price action on Mullen Auto is down. I mean, look at this. Price in the last year has gone from like $27 to 10 cents, 11 cents. So, I'm not sure what's driving Mullen right now, but it certainly isn't the cars that they produce, but Pringleton to Puto. I love the Crypto Rocketeer dab. Iconic. It is, man. Hoorah! Got the hippies that live down the creek from me. They're claiming the fertilizer, fungicide, and I use a poison the water, updated my sprayer to point of use instead of an aerial spray. And they're suing you for $3.7 million or something? That's wild, Tim. That is wild, man. So we shall see. Yes, we will, man. That sounds absolutely ridiculous. Combo heading home for some weekend trading. Goes 25,000 by Sunday. I follow Mullen. Yes, you do, Kenneth. Yes, you do. You are an in-house Mullen expert, man. You certainly know more about Mullen Auto than I do, and probably a lot of people in here. Dude, I hope you absolutely kill it this weekend, Ken. I hope you make 25,000. Dude, anybody else making 25,000 this weekend? Like, come on. Kenneth is like borderline illegal with that type of activity right there. Kenneth, killing it, man, and I do hope you get it. Out on Mullen yesterday at 16, waiting for 10 cents again. Kenneth, very, very nice, man. Kenneth is like the ultimate trader. Hey, bro, remember we were talking about Cashapp before in the 30s. Rallies with my 50x $100 leverage. Look at that baby now. Oh my gosh. Let's see where this bad boy is at. Hold on. I don't know why that just caught the cord on the phone there. That's why it did that. All right, let's see where Caspa's at, man. Because I don't know where Caspa's at. I haven't looked at Caspa probably since the last time you said take a look at Caspa. Dude, this hair is going to mess with me all afternoon. I know that it is. All right, let's see where Caspa's at. We've got Caspa, what is this? XDC network down 8% on the day today. Fallen from where we were watching it early, guys. 8 cents down to 7.5 cents. But you want Caspa. Dude, nice, man. Nice. A 25% gain. Golly bum. On a, did you say 50x or 100x? What was his leverage? 50x leverage. Oh my gosh. I mean, dude, you're sitting on a like a 12x gain, aren't you? Wouldn't that be a 12x gain there? Going from 25% times the 50x there. That should take you about to a 1200, so 1200% gain. I think you're looking at like, what, a 13x gain on that position? Your $100 turned into $1,300. Very nice. PS5. Oh my goodness. Question now, PS5. Are you letting it ride or are you taking that profit? Hopped off for a second. Forgot we were having a live. Dark Bro, you can never forget we're having a live, man. Gonna have to trade some more Test. Kenneth. Test is one that Kenneth was trading this morning, guys. A Test is over here on CoinGecko. You can find it. Coming down to the new coins right here, yes, and you've got this. This is the daily action. I mean, it looks volatile, but it's not huge swings. That's actually a pretty decent swing, going from about 20 down to 12. That's nearly a 45% loss. Back up to about a 50% gain. Back to, yeah, so that is moving pretty big there. Hopefully, Kenneth, if you trade that bad boy all weekend, you're absolutely destroying the profit. Out of Mullen at 15 cents. So it was in at 12 cents. Now, Kenneth says 10 cents for the in. I'm back at 10 cents. Let's get started. Dude, if you guys are really just destroying those trades on Mullen and tests like that, keep it up, man. That is absolutely awesome. And I hope you guys can keep on doing that. I hope Glibro got into. I'm not in Tupperware, Nufo. I'm not in Tupperware, but let's see where Tupperware is at. Nufo ripping it on Tup. Tup is up 35% on the day today. A beautiful 35% gain after a pullback yesterday. This was crazy, though. After hours trading yesterday, all the way down to like 287, ripping up after hours to 725. Dude, here's the good news for you on Tupperware. If you're looking at this trend line, it has been, we can't go that steep anymore. We're going to have to move it. You're going to have to hit these lows here. Yeah. You might see a pullback. All right. You might see a pullback. This is what we're looking like with the higher lows that it keeps hitting there. You've got this one in this area. Boom, running, bouncing. Boom, running really far, bouncing. Boom, running. It may pull back, all right, based on those levels. But you do have a couple of ascending trend lines that you can keep an eye on here. So I don't want that one to go that far out. You've got a couple of ascending trend lines that you can keep an eye on here, and hopefully it follows the steeper path, but it absolutely could pull back to this number down here, and it could pull back as early as Monday, so watch out if it drops back down to 360, but dude, I hope it keeps on ripping up for you, because when you look at the daily, man, we are getting ready to retest this resistance now. It's $6. Imagine a break of 6 taking you to 13. Imagine a break of 13 taking you back to 20. I don't know if Tupperware is going to run from 60 cents to $20. But it's not stopping yet, man. It's not stopping yet. So Tupperware absolutely killing it over the last couple of weeks there. Nufo, I hope you ride it all the way. Tim, just blame Monsanto. They said Roundup was safe. Yeah, dude, that Roundup sounds safe to me. Steeper, Steeper. Yes, Pringleton wants the steeper one. Dark Bro, I might as well be gone. Not commenting as much with random topics, but don't have what everyone talking about. Can't think of any stock questions right now. That is alright, just to listen then, Chris. Kobu, I haven't been there long enough to get blamed for the runoff. Oh my gear. Meets or exceeds EPA regulations. The hippies have been nothing but trouble since they moved here. Crazy, these crazy hippies, man, causing nothing but trouble. Crabbing, I mean the one. Meant to bump it around, oh gosh. Yeah, no problem, man. Bumping around in the car, no problems. People may not like the new small coins. Buy if you're getting them at launch. Easy, double, triple your money. Yeah, Kenneth, so you got to make sure you get in and get out, though. You go in, you double, you triple your money, and it looks very nice. But then as soon as they like to turn, man, they like to dump off fast. Clearbro, from your previous experience from before, how would we know we are in a bull run? Because Bitcoin 31,000, everyone was hype, and now it's just dusted. What advice? Sorry, not financial advice. So, yeah, PS5. You got to look at the differences, though, and you got to kind of understand what you're looking for. Are you looking for an actual bull market, or are you looking for kind of like a FOMO rally where people are excited and that speculation and that excitement is driving the price higher? If you're looking for an actual bull market, man, you need to take a lot of things into consideration, like the, like the overall economy, the interest rates, the inflation rates, earnings, all of that stuff. When it comes to the crypto market, we're going to have to see if regulation and the regulatory, I guess, authorities out there, like the SEC, if they're welcoming to grow crypto or if they're trying to restrict the growth of crypto. These are all things that would lead to an actual bull market. Now, yes, clearly, I don't know if $30,000 Bitcoin is going to cause any sort of a FOMO because we've been at 60. People begin to FOMO in, man, as we're reaching or setting all-time highs. I don't know what it is, but people love to buy when the price is ripping higher and touching all-time highs. It provides like a euphoric feeling for those that were in, and those that weren't in, they want to get in. So they're willing to feed into it, and that's more of a speculative run or a FOMO run. So bull market, you got to look at the actual data. Bear market, just FOMO market, that's when the speculation and excitement you're talking about. Clearbro, let's see here. Can you tell me what you think about space, Virgin Galactic? Yeah, Back to the Future. I got to catch up on a few things. We're going to try and look that up here in a second. Deez, thank you very much for the member chat. 12 months, bro. Deez been a member for 1 year. Happy anniversary, Clearbro. Also, I have the C word. Oh my gosh, Deez, dude. You know what makes the C word better? A little dip and shove action. You take that hot dog, you dip it down in your favorite dip. When you're done dipping, you shove it, man. One bite. Deez, dude, I do hope you feel better, and I hope it's not too bad right now. Get some rest over the weekend. Absolutely sucks that you got that and you're feeling a little sick right now, but hopefully everything works out, man. And you're going to be doing good. Back up and at 'em in a couple of days here. Hey, bros, need some help trying to buy CSPR and XDC. Tried 3 exchanges that don't support U.S. customers. Anybody use a VPN? Nah, I'm not using a VPN, man. Some exchanges know if you're using VPNs, and they might blacklist you if you do. So watch out for that. Hope it passes soon, D. He's definitely going around again, unfortunately. We're Farmy friend. Farmy was at like 46 cents earlier. Let's see if we got it on the chart right now. 46 cents, yes. 45.99 on Farmy today, jumping up just a little bit, bouncing off this level of support around 43 cents per share. And very, very quickly, guys, very quickly, it could be coming right back down to test that 40-cent all-time low. So watch out if you're in or thinking about getting in Farmy. You could absolutely get burnt and get burnt hard. Talk about fast money in and out and on to the next. Unless it starts trading, then I'm scalping. Nice, Kenneth. C-word, get well soon. Yeah, guys, nobody wants the C-word, man. Hey, what kinds of sectors do you invest in besides crypto and all the meme stuff? Chris, obviously, I not enjoy, but I do trade some options. I've been looking at Tesla options a lot recently here. but is I don't know like all the sectors right offhand, man. But AT&T is one that I do not mind holding. Apple is one that I do not mind holding. I do not mind holding Google. I did pretty well on Google, but I haven't. Gosh, it's probably been like 4 months since I've maybe 3 months since I've had some Google. So I'm not too sure when I'll be getting back into that, because it's actually risen from when I got out of Google. But just some of the larger stocks out there. One that I do not have right now that I wouldn't mind getting into, though, because I believe it has been dipping down, because I keep it on my watch list, is Waste Management. They keep growing their dividend. It's not a huge dividend, but it's a decent long-term hold, and it's pulling back. So if you've got Waste Management on the daily, you can see that it's been pretty volatile, right? Bouncing back and forth between the 170s and the 150s for the last couple of years here. But the overall graph is just ridiculous, man. Bottom left to upper right, the last 10 years have been nothing but gains. Basically, what is this, almost 10xing your money in Waste Management as the dividend steadily grows. I mean, look at this dividend too. If you go back here, you're looking at a dividend of 57 cents, coming up 65 cents, 70 cents. So they steadily grow their dividend as well, man, and that's one of the things. So if this does end up pulling back to, I don't have a price to get in. I really don't have a price to get in, but if it pulls back into this area right here, I would heavily consider buying a few shares of Waste Management as well, and just following along with that beautiful long-term graph. It seems like those guys can't get beat, dude. We got Rozzy sending positive vibes, quitting my work and selling my property with a good profit. Rozzy! Man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that one. King Turkey, that's a cool King Turkey right there, man. Oh my gosh. If anybody had their volume up, sorry for that. But Rozzy sent the King Turkey. Loving it, man. And hopefully send a positive vibes. Quit my work, sell my property with good profit. I love it, Rozzy. Hopefully everything works out for you. And I don't know how much property is sold, dude. But dude, if you can keep rolling off that, keep rolling off of it, man. Congratulations on that sale. 2023, August 4, 2023, 1,000 Lunk Perpetual Limit, 20x buy at 0.76 USDT, 10,000 USDT. Elias, it looks a little confusing right there. Tell us about the trade that you apparently just got into. GRC is a solid dividend stock. Let's look and see what GRC is doing. Gorman Rupp dividend yield 2%. Very nice. We got the daily graph right here. 17-cent dividend. Yes. 17-cent dividend. Yes. We got a 17-cent dividend. Yes. A 17-cent dividend. 17 cents. Yeah, so looking like it's growing there. And what I like about this, man, if you look at the daily graph here, it's actually bouncing off of a nice double bottom and on the rise right now. So this is a pretty strong indicator that you could be seeing a nice break back to the upside. But do watch this little area right in here around the $30 to $40 mark, or $30 to $34 mark that we're currently at. It might run into a little resistance, and you may pull back a little bit. But this is a very strong move higher over the last week in GRC. So if you guys want to look at that, take a look at that one as well. But looking very strong, man. Not seeing anything yet, Nufo. Judge Zern is working next week, though, contrary to some, Egypts? Like an idiot? Saying she was on holiday. Gotcha. Yeah, Pringleton. People will say anything, won't they? That's kind of ridiculous. Any updates? So that's what he said. Any updates on the AMC decision? I have not seen any updates on it, but Pringleton pretty much took care of that one, Nufo. Calibro, Bitcoin, 24,000 to 26,000. The whales completely blocked many buy-in for retail traders because of ETF news. Can it really go back to that price, or no way? Yeah, it can go back to that price, PS5. It can go back to that price, man. I don't want to get into this idea that Bitcoin can't go back to any price. Now, I highly doubt that Bitcoin goes to like $50 or something. I don't think it's going to go to those levels unless the world begins to outlaw it. Okay, so I highly doubt that you see those types of lows. But Bitcoin touching 24, 25, yeah, dude. I mean, that's just basically one major level of support right down to the next major level of support. So I do think that that's a possibility. You know, when you see nice steady growth like this over the last 6 months, you see that type of growth back here, right? And this is even crazier growth. Like, look at this 6 months here, going from 10,000 to 60,000. Dude, you begin to think it's never going to pull back, right? I mean, that's a phenomenal graph right there. What is this? About 6 months. About 6 months. You see phenomenal growth. 10,000 all the way up to 61,000. And you know where it went? 64. Nobody thought it was going to pull back 50%, but it did. And then it ran up again, touching a new all-time high. You think, all right, that was the only dip you're ever going to see. Now it's going to rip even higher. Never going to pull back. What, is it ever going to touch 20,000 again? Well, dude, we got some major downside, followed by some more major downside, followed by even more major downside. And Bitcoin touching 15. So, yes, we can see some weakness following this rally that we've had since the beginning of 2023. I don't want to see the weakness, but it is a possibility. I don't want anybody to ever think that you can't see downside. New foe, my new favorite. It's my new secret favorite. All right, new foe. You got the king. What is this? The king milk. Oh man, thank you very much for the super chat. I love it, man. You guys are having a lot of fun on this beautiful Friday afternoon right now. Newfo, man, thank you very much. I think it's the Milk King, right? It's the Milk King that we got on that one. Sup, Cape Dome, Dark Bro. Yes, Whale BC, not moving. Go kick it, please. All right, we'll give Whale BC a talking to here real quick. Go out to Chrome. Not CoinGecko. That's Ken's coin. We need Dark Bro's coin. Whale BC. Whale BC not moving at all. Come on, Whale BC. Let's go. 25 to 27. That's not a very big move. We want to see you rip back up, Whale BC, all the way to 0012. Give Dark Bro some money. Dark Bro needs a new pair of shoes. Let's make it happen. All right, I kicked it. You're going to be good now, Dark Bro. I promise. You're going to be good now. Moji bringing justice to the streets with Justice Thumb. Yo, D's, what's up, bro? Long time. Long live Ethiopia. Where in the world have you been, man? I remember you from back in the day. You've been gone for quite some time, man. I don't know why you guys stay gone so long. When you leave forever, don't you? Bitcoin could go back down. In fact, I'm betting on it. In fact, old rounder bro, in that case, I do hope that it breaks down for you and that it breaks down through that MACD or the MACD crossover. Happens on Sunday like you believe it will, and then you make a lot of money with Bitcoin going to the downside. For fun, this morning I bought, that's way too many zeros, I have no idea how much that is, for 0.559 cents, and the price jumped 8.9%. I didn't even know what this number was. It goes billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion, sextillion. Yes. Have you ever owned? No, I've not owned spell coin or spell token, Thomas, but that is something that I've looked at because I think you got like 50 to 100x potential to get back up to all-time highs on that one, don't you? I think we could get back up to all-time highs on that. Kenneth, are you talking about test? Or I don't know what token you're talking about there. Can't be Whale BC because Whale BC is only 3 zeros and a 2. What is test? Now, Tesla's only 2 zeros and a 1. Kenneth, what coin are you talking about there? You bought, like, 1 million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion. Yeah, you bought 7 sextillion what? 7 sextillion what? Because that's million, yes. Billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion. 7.2 sextillion. I don't know what token it is, though. Let's see. If Claybro wins the Mega tonight, will he continue the YouTube channel? Dude, if I win the Mega tonight, yes, I will continue the YouTube channel. Absolutely. Will I tell you that I won? Yes, I will tell you that I won. It'll be very nice if I win the Mega Millions tonight. If I win 1.35 billion or whatever it is, you guys can clip this, screenshot it if you want. But the 35 of you in here, you will be receiving $100,000 a piece just for being in here right now. You gotta clip it though. You gotta clip it. You gotta screenshot the fact that you were in here, and with the time, because I ain't taking no Photoshop. I ain't taking no Photoshop crap. The coin is called Cuckoo on CoinGecko. Let's see what Cuckoo is looking like. Cuckoo. Wow. That's got a lot of zeros, man. Yeah, it's got a lot of zeros. I don't. It's too many zeros, man. It's too many zeros. $500,000 trading volume over the last 24 hours. I don't even know what the max supply is infinity. Total supply is infinity. I don't even know if I've ever seen the infinite symbol before. There's just too many zeros that you can't even. They don't even put it on the chart. And they don't even put it on this chart either. Or no chart. It's just up and down, man. Is it going to go up? There's so many zeros, you literally just have to guess if it's going up or down next. You can't even keep track of it. Look, Uniswap. Just too many zeros. Doesn't even go out that far. My goodness, dude. That's absolutely ridiculous. But it's down 26% of the day. So hopefully you saved yourself that 51 cents or 55 cents, whatever it was, and you got out, man. Moji, I gotta go for the King Turkey for the wife. Anniversary weekend, baby. This one's for the wife. Thank you very much, Moji, for the King Turkey. I hope that you guys have a wonderful anniversary weekend. You guys have some fun, whatever you're doing. Enjoy yourselves, and congratulations on the anniversary, man. That is absolutely awesome. What's a clip? I'm old and not hip to all this kids' lingo. Tim, that's when you, like, clip the live stream there, but I know you're in here, so it's fine. You're going to get it. I don't know if JB's in here. It doesn't mean just because you got a blue name. Doesn't mean because you got a blue name you're in here, but I know Tim was in here. Nice. The franchise Jasmine is one of my other ones I'm starting to get. Very nice, Dark Bro. It's on YouTube. Thanks, Clay Bro. I hope we win, D's. I absolutely hope we win as well, man. I absolutely hope we win as well. Who knows if we will, though. Happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary. Gamble. Ooh, opinion. Ooh. Jeez, dude. It's very, very volatile right now, okay? I can give you my opinion that you should probably not be buying in, but buy in if you want. Let's take a look at it. I was looking at Gamble a minute ago, so you guys can see the chart here. Down a little bit today. 34 cents, 33.9 cents. This all-time, like not all-time, but this longer-term chart clearly shows massive weakness. Now, some people probably are thinking that it's going to go back up for some reason to $100 a share. And on a $1 million market cap, hey, maybe it could. A $1 million market cap, these guys are not making any money. What are their liabilities? $59 million in assets. $68 million in liabilities. So they are probably severely susceptible to going bankrupt. Current liabilities, golly bum, dude, 16 or 62 million in current liabilities there. Total asset, I mean, they'd have to sell off all of their buildings and everything. They've got $2.9 million in cash. Their income statement, they are just ripping through this money. And I don't know why they haven't updated their income statement on Webull in the last couple of quarters here. It could have drastically declined from where it was before. But they are spending way too much money. Looking at the chart, okay? This is what people are probably getting excited about right here. Because a lot of people must be throwing this out on Twitter. A lot of people must be throwing this out on YouTube. But look at this graph. This is the volume. Volume has picked up drastically over the last week. People are pouring into it. It's not enough to make this stock price go up. So you got a lot of bag holders right here that have been buying in over the last week. But this type of activity and this type of action on the volume chart down at the bottom is showing you that people are paying attention now. They're beginning to trade it. And yes, if they begin to pour in and you see massive amounts of volume down here, you watch it go from 200,000 shares, 250, 170, 900, 600, 800, whoa, 2.8 million, 2.8 million, 7.5 million, 6 million, 18 million, 15 million. If all of a sudden they begin trading, 100 million shares and people are pouring into it, then Gamble can do something. Or what is this? Esports Entertainment Group, right? Then they can do something. But, gosh, dude, this surge in volume, yet the price continues to go down, I would say there should be some skepticism surrounding whether or not that's a good stock to buy or a good investment to get into. Well, BC's lottery ticket players, only 21 million in existence. Nice, Dark Bro. Thanks, Dark Bro. Been buying a little small market cap gems you've been talking about. Well, BC, very good. Boom, and maybe $1 or more in the bull run. Humanity, you got bone? You like bone? What's the word on bone? No, I'm holding for fun. I paid 56 cents, but my gas fees were like $8. But if you look at their website, they've contacted Guinness Book of World Records for the cheapest meme coin. Oh, gosh. What a record. Dude, all you gotta do, you contact Guinness Book of World Records for the cheapest meme coin. Why, though? All you gotta do to get a cheap meme coin is go make one right now that's cheaper than that one. I've been playing the volatility on, what is this? Let's see, that's Snapchat? No, Snap is Snapchat's. Dang, dude, that is some nice volatility there. If you've been playing this daily's kind of ridiculous. Even in this area, these daily movements from 41.60 to 41.90, man. Yeah, dude, it's moving up and down. Are you looking at that, or are you looking at a crypto? Because even that right there is volatile. Sia coin. Yeah, it could be Sia coin as well. Sia coin or Santander. Which one are you doing, man? Sia coin or Santander? Other than Tesla, what other electric vehicle is on your watch list? I have Plug on my watch list. I know that they don't actually make cars. I got Plug on my watch list. ChargePoint is on my watch list. Neo is on my watch list. And Mullen is on my watch list, and I have traded Mullen a couple times. I don't know about getting back into Mullen right now, though. Mullen, dude, it looks so dangerous down there at that 10-cent mark. It looks very cheap, but it looks very dangerous as well. So, ChargePoint, Plug, Neo, Lucid too, but I don't watch Lucid. Like, I don't click on and look at Lucid too often. Neo's been doing very well over the last, month or so, though. Take a look at Neo. I'm pretty sure it's gone from $7 to 15. Yeah. Neo, since the beginning of June, so it's been about 2 months now. Neo going from $7 lows up to 16. So I looked at it a couple days ago, and it was in that $15 mark. Pulling back to 1472 right now, but NEO making a nice bounce back over the last 2 months here. Not off all-time lows, but off of these, pretty sturdy lows in this $7 to $8 area. You got to go way, way, way back here before the 2021 run-up, before you could have really bought NEO at much lower prices. Now, getting into NEO at $1.19 clearly would have been phenomenal going into 2021. Riding it from $1.19 to $66. That would have been insane there. But NEO also on my watch list. Obviously, it's capable of this when people are all hyped up about bull markets and hyped up about, I guess the administration or laws requiring electric vehicles and clean energy and so on. So this is on my watch list, coming off a nice bottom here, but running into resistance in this area. So I'm not pulling the trigger on that one anytime soon either. Bitcoin coming on down, old rounder bro, man. You might be on to something here. 28,900 right now. Oh my gosh, dark bro, I'm left 6 cents, $42. My God. Let's see. You see who's going Canada? I'm about to go buy $42 worth. 7 sextillion times 80. What does that even get you, man? 700. I don't even know if the price is 26% lower. I think that we probably got it. So let's say 800. Like this dude is gonna be sitting on 700 to 800 sextillion. Cuckoo coin. Cuckoo. Wait, you get some Jack Black. Cuckoo. 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 Yeah, dude. YOLO, bro. Let's get started. Lucid. Yes, Lucid's another one. Let's see where Lucid's at. Lucid had some potential dilution coming down its way, I believe. Lucid right here. Lucid down to 662. So Lucid actually in another low. So it hasn't ran off of this low here, but touching a very nice low if you guys are interested. All-time low, really. If you guys are interested in like riding out the storm with Lucid, it could need some future dilution into, I believe it said, end of 2024, maybe beginning of 2025. Bitcoin may be breaking down, guys. Bitcoin touching 28,900 earlier, attempting the intraday low right here. Let's see. Is it going to break? Is it going to break? Is it going to break? I don't want to put another line on the screen. Just watch and see. It looks like it's going to break, man. We're going to be touching 28.8 in a second. We're going to be touching there it is, 28.8 right there. Dumping through that intraday low. Guys, the Bitcoin breakdown is happening right now. Old Rounder was correct. I knew it was going to break down through that. Bitcoin coming down, 28,007. Wow, man, just skipped the 8s. 28,790, 28,830, bouncing back a little bit right now, giving up some of that weakness. 28,790 was the low that we just had, and bouncing back pretty nicely off that. Look, already moving the low from 28,790 to 28,820, and now it's back down to 28,790. So watch Bitcoin. Yeah, XRP. Okay, XRP dumping off along with Bitcoin. Let's see where XRP is at right now. This actually could be on some news if it's XRP dumping off hard. XRP down 5% to 63 cents. Yeah, maybe the SEC's got some news coming out. XRP 64 cents, guys. Watch out for XRP, 63.5 cents right now. XRP down 5.74%. You get XRP dumping off at the moment. Bitcoin dumping off at the moment. 28,800 right here. Bitcoin might be trying to bounce back a little bit, but it does seem as though a dump off in XRP could be causing a dump off in the crypto market. Cover the 4-hour chart on Shib. Looks like it's going to the moon. Should I FOMO in now on a 20x leverage or wait a bit? Not financial advice. PS5, wait for this dip or wait for this this volatile action right here, I would say. 20x, not crazy. You can lose, what, 5%? Ooh, dang, man. A 5% loss in Shiba Inu coin basically takes it back to the point where it was at just 24 hours ago. So I'd be a little bit careful with that. But, dude, you could do very well leading into the Shibarium launch with a 20x leveraged position. You could lose it pretty quick as well. Let's see. Xbang on your watch list. I don't know if I know this. All right, I'll keep my eye on this one. This has got a very similar chart to Lucid, actually. Similar to Neo as well, but Lucid hasn't recovered yet, not down towards these $6 lows. Yeah, I'll watch this one, man. That's actually a really good gain since the beginning of June as well. Very similar to Neo in the sense that Neo ran from 7 to 16. Xpeng ran from 7 to 23, $24. So that's not a bad gain at all. I will be keeping my eye on that one now. Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin. What is Ripple doing out there? Ripple still down to 64 cents right now. 5.65% losses on Ripple. We're going to keep our eyes on crypto, guys. Shib to lose a 0 this weekend. Do I ND fight? I hope so. Claybro just pulled a shallow howl. Yes, I did. Deez, man. That's what I got him from. You're exactly right. Bitcoin to 27,500. Easy. Elias. If it does, Old Rounder is going to be rich, man. I'm good at 20,000 plus Bitcoin. Bitcoin going to do what Bitcoin is going to do. Tim, that is exactly right. For anyone who trades stocks by the UFO ETF, it will make you rich soon. UFO, what is... Huh. Yeah, I have to look into this one, man. I don't know nothing about UFO. And then somebody was asking about space earlier, man. Sorry, I completely forgot about it. Whoo! Are these all-time lows here? Yeah. Oh, man. Well, let me say this, okay? $394 million. They're still a very valuable company at the current prices. They got $1 billion in assets. Look, they got a strong balance sheet, man. They got a strong balance sheet. Touching lows around $3 a share. Are these guys doing like commercial space travel? Yeah. Commercial space travel. Let me say this about Virgin Galactic or... what is the blue one? Isn't it blue something that Jeff Bezos has? And Tesla and all these guys, and Elon Musk and all these guys. Commercial space travel for, rich individuals. You're probably going to want to compare it to actual air travel for rich individuals when it would have first came out. Until they scale it so that they can actually commercialize it, I would say you're going to see some rough growth opportunities. Now, dude, if that's one of those stocks that you want to buy and maybe hold for 10, 20 years and see how that industry kind of develops, I think you could do very well on it. Clearly, if and only if people want to go to outer space. People probably would have said, why the heck would anybody want to fly? You're safer on the ground. Nobody's going to want to fly. But look at the air travel. Look at air travel. People do it all times of day and night, every day of the year. No such thing as a holiday, right? The same thing could happen for space travel, but it's more of like a tourist destination or a leisure activity than it would be actually traveling. I don't think we're going to colonize Mars. I don't think people are going to be living on the moon. I don't think people are going to have, space pods like the Jetsons, man. And we jump in our rocket ship and go from Earth up to our levitating or our space pod that we're living in out in outer space. I don't see that being a thing. But I do see people, yeah, man, I went to outer space and came back. Maybe I paid $1,000 a ticket or something. And at that point, there's a lot of people that would be interested in saying that they've been to outer space. But I think that's going to take a long time to get there. Later, broskies. Got to get ready for work. Have a great weekend, everybody. As always, make them gains. Dark Bro, you as well, man. You as well. Enjoy your weekend. Having some nice progress with the job situation. A competitor offered me 20% more than I'm making now for the same job, and I have an interview with my company for a better position on Monday. Megan, congratulations. Guys, you've got to do that. right? Seemingly you have to do that. Companies like don't even give you raises anymore. You've got to get a new position either with a different company or within the same company, a completely different job if they're going to give you a raise. So Megan, I hope the absolute best for you. Nice, Megan. That's how to do it. Yes, it is. Why isn't Carvana mentioned more? The past 6 months have been insane. Yeah, Nufo, I actually don't know why Carvana hasn't been mentioned more. Carvana has been extremely volatile over the last week, but has been on a tear, man. I don't know if it's been since the beginning of 2023 or when, but let's see. This is a weekly graph. Yeah, beginning of 2023, man, has been crazy. $3 a share, ripping up to $57 a share. Obviously, those are some insane gains. I really don't know why. maybe this is too steady of growth for people. Maybe they needed to 300% gain overnight in order to talk about it. But look at this. This major pullback right here, it's a little concerning, yes. But it's, I don't know why that didn't come on. It's basically following the same exact trend that it's been on. Depends on which lows you go to here. But this is basically following the exact same trend that it's been on, man. Even if you come down here with it. Like, it's just pulling right back to this trend line and could bounce right off of it and go even higher. So this has been some extremely steep gains for Carvana over the last, 2-3 months here. But they've sustained them, man. They've held them up, and it's insane to see that Carvana's moved like that. I don't know why people don't talk about it as much. It's not something that it is on my watch list, actually, but not to buy. It's just so I can keep up to date with the price action. Blue Origin, yes. Pringleton, yes. Changpeng Chinese electric vehicle company that guy, with the help of Bunter Hayden, facilitated the sale of a huge cobalt mine to China. Xpeng gets made in China price batteries. Oh wow. Tim, interesting. So is it it's a Chinese electric vehicle company? Man, after getting burned on Chinese mushrooms, I don't know if I want to get burned on Chinese cars now. It's over. Falcon, what's over, man? Bitcoin or what? What would happen if Bitcoin or Ethereum went to zero? Like all the way down to zero? I highly, highly doubt, Rozzy, that it's going to go to zero. But if it went to zero, it would be no different than, let's say, close enough to zero, right? It would be no different than Dark Bros coin of Whale BC, because Bitcoin has 21 million total coins outstanding. Whale BC also has 21 million coins outstanding. It's got a total market cap right now of $5,700, and it's only at 3 zeros and a 2. So you could, if you wanted to, and nobody wanted it anymore, you could go out and for essentially $5,700 buy nearly all of Bitcoin at that point. Now, that might seem crazy, right? But if you just go back a decade, dude, that was the price of Bitcoin. That was the price of Bitcoin. You could have bought 1,000 Bitcoin for $1 if you wanted them. You could have bought 50,000 Bitcoin for $10 if you wanted them. But nobody literally wanted them. That's why they are trading at those levels. So it's almost incomprehensible that you could have bought Bitcoin 10, 15 years ago for, you could have bought 1,000 of them for $1. But nobody wanted to do it. 1,000 Bitcoin, man. You'd be a at these current prices, you have $30 million? $28 million at these current prices, and you would have done that for $1. Your dollar would have turned into $28 million. So if it goes to zero, though, nobody's going to want it. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby. J-Bones is first. Don't ruin my dreams. I wanted to see that special alien lady from Total Recall. Pringleton, maybe one of these days, dude. The end of the bull run will come 2024 or 2025. Yeah, so Thomas, I don't know if you're asking me like either or. Do I think it will come in one of those years? It probably should come in one of those years. So what I think we might be seeing, man, is action right now very similar to the 2020 action, okay? where we started to level off and begin to rise higher. 2023. Let's see if we can just pull up a cycle here. Bitcoin all-time graph. Let's just zoom in a little here. All right, Bitcoin all-time graph. What do we got? All right, go in here. Let's go back to, let's see if we can make it back to 2013. All right, 2013. What was that? Well, Jay, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I don't know if you're in here, Jay, or where you're at. But, guys, if you're looking at this, the bull and bear market cycles of Bitcoin. Bitcoin in 2012 was $12, $10, $5 a coin. This is a Bitcoin chart, okay? I remember in this area, I believe it must have been after this run, okay? I believe specifically thinking, nope, not going to buy any Bitcoin. It must have been 2013. Now, obviously, that was a very dumb decision, right? Because Bitcoin was at like $300-400 and has done much better since then. But anyway, this is a massive bull market rally from $5-6 up to $1,000. That's basically a 200x gain. And it took place very, very quickly here. And yes, there are many, many other major gains that you could have gotten. Look at Bitcoin back here at 6 cents in 2010, ripping up to $20. So Bitcoin has gone on some massive moves. 2011, the bear market began and ran through essentially 2013. 2013, Bitcoin rips higher. That's 2 years later. Bitcoin calms down a little bit. After that, Bitcoin rips up. Well, this is still 2013, so Bitcoin had a very phenomenal 2013. Bear market ensues, right? Sitting sideways until 2017's bull market begins. So 4 years after the 2013 run, Bitcoin rips up. 4 years later, after the 2017 run, Bitcoin rips up in 2021. 4 years later, after the 2017 run, Bitcoin rips up. Now that 4 years later is most likely going to push you in 2025. Bitcoin seems to have 4-year cycles where it likes to rip, and that 4-year cycle would coincide with 2025. Clearly, man, all that is doing is looking at the previous bull and bear market cycles of Bitcoin and saying that they're going to continue following the exact same pattern. I don't know if it's going to happen in 2025 or 2024. Nobody does. But that's kind of what I'm looking at there. Mutants, not aliens, and Total Recall. Oh, man, you guys know everything, don't you? What happened to the Amazon calls this morning? Been a stupid busy day. Frank, apparently he closed out, and he closed out very well. I thought he was going to make a little more than he did, but he still did very, very well, man. Let's see. 24 Brocoin launch. Let's get started. 8,000 Bitcoin would have made me $28 million. Yes, it would have, Rozzy, and it would have cost you $1 stupid dollar. You never would have held to $28,000. You never would have held to $28,000 a coin, though, man. You probably would have closed out when it hit $2 or $3 in profit, like any normal person would have. I believe they went rather well. Yes, they did, Frank. Right? As far as I know, he got out at the open. He already said he came in here and said he got out. Didn't tell us exactly what price, but they opened up about $13 and like 50 cents or something like that. And he had apparently bought in around the $5.60 price point. So he made about 100, 120, 130% on his money there. I had Bitcoin at a Haji gas station ATM type machine for $5 a coin. Sold at $125 a coin to buy a truck. Not quite Bitcoin pizza guy, but close. Yes, dude. Getting out of Bitcoin at $125. It's nuts, man. Justin, if there is, I don't know the reason right now. I don't know if the SEC is saying anything or if we just got some Friday afternoon volatility going on. Thoughts as ever. Go to the guy who bought pizza with Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin back in the day. Yeah, man, that's insane. It really is crazy. Guys, it is time to go. It is after 5 o'clock. You got videos coming up tonight at 7 p.m., videos coming up at 8 p.m. Please watch them 100 times. Put them on loop. Click the like button on them once and leave 20 comments. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back tonight with those videos. Thomas, man, enjoy your weekend. Frank, hopefully you have a great weekend as well. Frank, Nufo to Poolto. Ahoo! Tim, man, see you later. Nufo, Pringleton, Rozzy, Pringleton. We got Tim in here. Tim, have a great weekend, man. Hopefully everything works out. Justin, Pringleton, Tim, Nufo to Poolto again. We've got Combo. I know Dark Bro already went to work. Not Dark Brew. Dark Bro. Combo, man, see you later. I think you guys are a little slow on the shout-outs, but you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, old rounder bro. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Timmy! Thank you very much for the green name. Tim throwing out a green name right there. And what do we got? Alex Karasik grabbing that green name. Tim, thank you very much for making sure everybody in the chat has a green name. Justin, it could have been you, man. Could have been you, Justin. Enable your gift receiving. The next time it probably will be you. Alex, if you're in here, throw a shout out to Tim on the way out, man. But nonetheless, Tim, thank you very much for throwing that green name out there. And shout outs across the board, man. Back to the Future, Old Rounder, Back to the Future, Pringleton, we got Jeff, Tim, thank you very much for that, man. Alex, D's, Back to the Future, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Dude, who knew Pudgy was in here? We leaving? Nope. Pudgy, I thought we were leaving. Nope. Pudgy, what? I thought we were... Nope. Ah, man, I knew Pudgy would get started after that. Tim, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. New photo Pulto. He's got that green... Oh, wait, not a green name. He's got that King Milk. New photo Pulto. Thank you very much for the king, the Milk King right there. Oh my, I don't even know, man. I can't even say I appreciate him too much on that one, man. The king drinking out of a baby bottle like that. Nufo, man, thank you. Pudgy, thank you. Tim, thank you. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy, I'm so sorry, but it's time to go, Pudgy. Alright, it's time to go now, Pudgy. New foe! Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Nufo, for the little black cat. Pudgy, thank you very much for missing me so much that you were going to be crying over the weekend. All of you guys, you love doing this, man. I don't know why you like making me stay here so long on overtime, but you like it, and I like it too. Tim, shout out to you, man. Pudgy, Nufo, Back to the Future, Kobo, thank you. We get J-Bones with some behind the scenes, man. J-Bones, check it out. We've got, what do we got? And check this bad boy out. Oh yes, man, we got some sweetness right there. J-Bones, oh, thank you, J-Bones, and oh, thank you very much, Pudgy, for the super chat. You guys are crazy, man. J-Bones, appreciate it. Pudgy, appreciate it. Nufo, thank you, Pudgy. Nufo, Pudgy, Tim. All of you guys, I'm convinced you don't know what time it is, but if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy, thank you very much for one of the hardest super chats in the game. Oh my gosh, dude. That is an absolute stretch. Pudgy, thank you very much for the upside down super chat. And Nufo throwing a King Unicorn out there. Nufo, I got you on the King Unicorn. Look at that beautiful horn right there. Oh, you know that's a good one. Nufo, man, thank you very much for the super chat. J-Bones, baby. J-Bones is cool. J-Bones is cool. Cool. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Rozzy, thank you very much for the hot dog. I can't believe people forget how to dip it and shove it. Rozzy, when you're done dipping that hot dog in your favorite dip, all you gotta do is shove it, man. Thank you very much for the super chat, Rozzy. Thank you very much for the super chat, J-Bones. Thank you very much, Nufo. Thank you very much, Pudgy, J-Bones, Nufo. What else we got? We got Pudgy, Nufo, Pudgy, and Tim. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. We got a little banana. All you do with that banana is you peel the banana. That's all you got to do with. No, you lick it and you stick it. You tilt the head back a little bit. You lick the banana. And you stick the banana. One bite. That's all it takes. Pudgy, thank you very much. We got Nufo to Puto. Claybros Peach, ladies and gentlemen. Only Nufo can touch it. Nufo to Puto. Nufo, thank you very much for the super chat. We got Rozzy with a little... Rozzy, goodbye to you, man. Rozzy, goodbye to you, Rozzy. Rozzy, goodbye to you, Rozzy. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. JJ, you know what time it is? It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Rozzy throwing it out there. JJ, Nufo, Pudgy, J-Bones. J-Bones, thank you very much. J-Bones, I see you. Thank you for the mustache. J-Bones, thank you. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the mustache. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Appreciate all of you guys, man. Shout outs to J-Bones, Rozzy, Pudgy, Nufo, Rozzy, JJ, J-Bones, all of you guys. You have no idea what time it is, but if you want to say it with me, you can say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy says, let's get a little salt action going on in here. Pudgy, you just pour the salt out on the table. You throw it over your shoulder because it's good luck. And because salt tastes so good, you just gotta... but every time it gets in your eyes. Pudgy, man, you gotta keep it closer to your mouth, man. Oh, no. Nufo with a rainbow. Nufo with a rainbow. Nufo with a rainbow. Nufo, thank you very much for the rainbow. Nufo, man, appreciate you on the rainbow. Pudgy, thank you very much for the salt. J-Bones for the mustache. JJ for the diamond. Rozzy with the goodbye. Nufo with the peach. Pudgy with the banana. And Rozzy with the hot dog. All of you guys. Back to the future. You know what time it is, man. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy. Pudgy, I thought we were leaving, man. Pudgy, it's so sad. It's so sad, Pudgy. I thought we were leaving. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Don't be sad, Pudgy. It is all right. Be glad, Pudgy. Don't be sad, Pudgy. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Pudgy, see you later. Nufo, Pudgy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. That one makes you dizzy. Nufo. Nufo, that is some delicious popcorn. Tim, hey! Tim, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry, Tim, but it's time to go. It's time not to cry, Tim. It's time to go. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat. We got Nufo, J-Bones, Pudgy, Nufo, Pudgy, J-Bones, Nufo, JJ, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy, it's time to go? Alright, great, man. It's time to go? Pudgy, is it? It's time to go? Pudgy, yes, man. Pudgy saying it is finally time to go. Smash the like button on the way out, guys. Tim! Tim, you little devil, you. Thank you very much for the super chat. Nufo, man. I don't even know what to do with this one. You're chilling on the beach, listening to the... The waves roll in, man, as you're laying down on that beach. Nufo, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy, Tim, Nufo, J-Bones, Pudgy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. You gotta make up your mind. Pudgy, you just said yep, but now you're saying no. Pudgy, you just said yep, but now you're saying no. Pudgy, you just said yep, but now you're saying no. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy's a little, what do they call it? Bipolar out there. Yes, Pudgy's a little bipolar on that one. You gotta get your act together, Pudgy. Thank you very much for that super chat. Nufo to Pulto. He's got the coins, baby. Look at this one. Nufo, you've got the coins, baby. Ooh, you've got the coins, baby. You've got the coins, baby. Nufo, thank you very much for the super chat, throwing those coins out there. That's the best I could do, man. That's the only coin I got around here. Technically, I have a Bitcoin as well, but the one that Outdoor Smile sent is pretty sweet. So I like that one a little bit better. Nufo, man, thank you very much. Pudgy, thank you very much. Nufo, Tim, Pudgy, Tim, Nufo, J-Bones. We've got Pudgy, JJ, Nufo, Pudgy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. You gotta superimpose the poop. You gotta superimpose the poop, Pudgy. That's all I got. I don't have any. Yes, you gotta put the poop. You gotta put the poop on my face, man. That's the best I can do with that one. Is just give you the smile that little guy's got. Sorry about it, but you can Photoshop it, man. Some people on Reddit used to do that to me out there. Pudgy, thank you very much. Nufo, Pudgy, Nufo, Tim, Pudgy, Tim, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Pudgy's such a good little angel. Pudgy's such a good little angel. Oh, Pudgy's such a good little angel. Pudgy's such a good little angel. Pudgy, you're such a good little angel. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh, we're still here, JJ. Oh, we're still here, JJ. It's getting crazy in here. JJ, thank you very much. Pudgy, Nufo, J-Bones, Pudgy, Nufo, Tim, Rozzy D's, Tim, Nufo, JJ, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Nufo says, not just yet. What kind of a weekend is it if you don't have a little Milk King out there? What? Nufo Milk? Yeah. Nufo Milk King? Nufo, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving that Milk King right there. You gotta just get the baby bottle and turn back into a kid sometimes. Nufo, appreciate the super chat, man. JJ, Pudgy, Nufo, Nufo, Tim, all of you guys. We're gonna have a very good weekend now. You know what time it is. You wanna say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. Deez says, let's see Clay Bros Peach. Deez, you got it, man. Thank you very much, Deez. Thank you very much, Pudgy. Nufo, JJ, Pudgy, Nufo, Pudgy, Tim. We got JJ, all of you guys. I don't think you know what time it is anymore, but if you say it with me, oh man, we got it right here. JJ. JJ knows what time it is. JJ. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. A king diamond, baby. Yes, JJ, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, man. And we get Nufo. Nufo, this reminds me of Wana. Wana used to like to send the strawberry ice cream. She did, but now she's gone. Nufo, man, thank you very much for the ice cream cone. JJ for the King Diamond. D's for the Peach. Pudgy with the Nufo with the King, Milk King. To JJ, we've got Pudgy Little Angel and the Poop again, man. Pudgy, all of you guys, thank you very much for the super chats. You guys, I think you know what time it is, but you might not. So if you want to say it with me, you can say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. How in the world did Nufo forget the licking stick? Nufo, you take the banana. You tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. You gotta maintain eye contact, dude. That's one of the most important parts. Nufo, that is how you properly execute the lick and stick technique. D's, thank you very much for keeping all of these guys on guard. I don't know what they're doing, man, but appreciate you on that one, D's. Nufo, JJ, D's, Pudgy, Nufo, JJ, Back to the Future, inspirational quotes, Back to the Future, Nufo, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Back to the Future, how could you forget how to eat a hot dog? It's so simple, man. Hot dogs are called the dip and shove. When you're done dipping the hot dog in whatever your favorite dip is, you shove it. One bite. Simple as that. D's, dude, thank you very much for reminding Back to the Future how to properly eat a hot dog. Thank you very much for reminding Nufo how to properly eat a banana. Nufo, thank you very much for the ice cream. JJ for the King Diamond. D's with the peach. And Pudgy with the... all of you guys, man. I know you have no idea what time it is right now, but if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.